So you want him to commit to you, to only have eyes for you. Many coaches recommend affirmations in order to do this, but before you do that, listen up. I can affirm all day, 20,000 times a day, I am the prize, I am the prize, I am the prize. But I feel at my core that something is wrong with me, that I am flawed in some way, that I am damaged in some way, that I am broken. It is actually counterproductive. We don't manifest what we want, we manifest what we are. What you are is a state of being. If you are saying an affirmation that activates a state of being of disbelief, you are amplifying that state. In order to manifest what you want, you have to learn to work with your mind and not against it. You have to become a master of your states. This is what I teach clients every single day, and I will be sharing how to do that in the live training that I'm hosting this weekend. Registration closes in 2 hours. Babe, it's not about the tool you use. It's about the energy that it is activating. It is about the state of being that is activated with the tool. Affirmations are just one of the many tools that you can use to manifest what you want. But you have to learn to manage your state in order to do this effectively. I teach over 20 tools in my program, and I teach clients which one to use in which state in order to get them the results that they want. In the meantime, think about this. If you're in a relationship with someone that is not treating you like you want to be treated, he's not treating you like the prize, he doesn't text you enough, he doesn't call you enough, and you tell him several times, I've already told you this, I want you to call me more. Am I not important to you? Why do you keep doing this to me? What is the belief at the core? That he doesn't care about me. Now imagine you're having the same conversation with someone that you know, that they deeply care about you. Would you say the same things? Would you be in the same needy energy? Would that even be in question? What is controlling your state are beliefs at the core that are flawed. And until you clear them, you will keep attracting more of the same.